Dear students, today I am going to teach you the fifth lesson, that is Sumit Within. The name of the book is Honey Dew. Honey Dew. And the name of the lesson is Sumit Within. That is, this lesson is about the experience of HPS Ahluwalia. Just in his words, we are going to learn how what was his experience. And just Major HPS Ahluwalia was a member of the first successful Indian expedition to Mount Everest in 1965. And this lesson, just his experience, he gives here in his own words how he climbed on the highest peak. Sumit means highest peak. Sumit, that is highest peak of Everest. And how did he feel there? What was there in his mind? This lesson is of all the emotions which surged through me as I stood on the summit of Everest, highest peak of Everest. He was standing there. And what was there in his mind? How did he feel? Looking over miles of panorama, a vast area, he was looking from there, standing on the highest peak of Everest. Highest area was, he was looking from there. And the prominent, important thing, I think, was humility. Standing from there, he saw a vast area, and humility was there in his mind. Humility, gentleness, meekness was there in his mind. By climbing the summit of Everest, you are overwhelmed by a deep sense of joy and thankfulness. Standing at the highest peak of the mountain, he feels thankfulness and also a sense of joy. A sense of joy is there, and also thankfulness. It is a joy which lasts a lifetime. It is joy forever. To climb on the highest peak is a joy forever. Lifetime joy it is. The experience changes once completely. यह जो अनुभव है हाईएस्ट पीक पर चढ़ने का, it changes a man's life completely, totally, absolutely. He changes the life of man. The man who has been to some mountains in never the same again. That is what changing took place in one's life, who has climbed on the highest peak of Everest. As I look back at life after climbing Everest, just he is telling here that when we look back, जब हम पीछे देखते हैं अपने जीवन को, after climbing the highest peak of Everest, can't help remarking about the other Sumit, the Sumit of the mind. Just one Sumit is the highest peak Sumit of Everest, and other peak, highest peak is in our mind, of the mind, no less formidable and no easier to climb. It is also not easy to overcome. जो अंदर माइंड के अंदर जो हाईएस्ट पीक है उसको भी उसको कवर करना, उस पर विजय पाना इज नॉट सो इजी. इट इज ऑल्सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट, फुल ऑफ challenges. It is not so difficult. Even when getting down from the summit, highest peak, if one gets down from there, is also full of physical exhaustion. It is physical exhaustion, tiredness is there if one gets down from the highest peak. ऊंची चोटी से नीचे आना भी खतरे से भरा हुआ है. यहाँ भी exhaustion है, tiredness है. And just once the physical exhaustion had gone, after climbing on the highest peak, if someone gets down, that is no physical tiredness is there. It has gone. I began asking myself the question why I had climbed Everest. Just it was a question in the mind of HPS Ahluwalia. He asked himself why he had climbed Everest. Why? What was the cause? What was the reason? What was the purpose behind climbing the highest peak of Everest? Why did the act of reaching the Sumit, highest peak, reaching the Sumit, have such a hold on his imagination? Why it had a hold in his imagination? ये बहुत बड़ी छाप उनके कल्पना पर पड़ी थी. It was already a thing of the past. Now it was a thing of the past. That is in the past. It was a thing in the past of his life. Something done yesterday. Something done yesterday. पीछे की बात, अतीत की बात हो गई. With every passing day, it should become more remote, दूर, far away, दूर होता गया उनके जीवन से. And then what would remain? What would remain then? What was left there in his life, in his mind? Would my memories fade slowly away? क्या उनके दिमाग से धीरे धीरे फेड होता गया, दूर होता गया ये कल्पना? All these thoughts led me to the question myself as to why people climb mountains. Just a question is there in his mind. Why people climb mountain? पर्वतारोही पर्वत पर क्यों चढ़ते हैं? What is the cause? What is the reason why people climb mountain? पर्वत चढ़ने के पीछे कारण क्या है? Why people climb mountain? It is not easy to answer the question. It is not easy to answer the question. Just he is telling us, as P.S. Ahluwalia is telling here, it is not easy to answer. इसका उत्तर देना आसान नहीं है. The simplest answer would be, हो सकता है, उत्तर क्या हो सकता है? As others have said, because it is there, it presents great difficulties. It need great difficulties to climb mountain. माउंटेन पर चढ़ना जोखिम से भरा होता है, तमाम कठिनाइयाँ होती हैं. Man takes delight. इसमें आनंद आता है. क्या करने में? In overcoming obstacles, conquering, जीत हासिल करना, विजय हासिल करना. कहाँ? obstacles, difficulties. When a man, जब कोई आदमी conquer करता है क्या? difficulties, तो उसमें उसे आनंद मिलता है. The obstacles in climbing a mountain, और वो भी that is obstacles in climbing mountain, पर्वत पर चढ़ने पर जो कठिनाई सामने आती है, are physical. वो physical होता है. It is physical to climb a mountain. That is physical exhaustion is there. A climb to Sumit means highest peak, सबसे ऊंची चोटी पर चढ़ना. Endurance, capacity to bear. It is also capacity to bear. Persistence and willpower is also necessary. Climb a mountain, पर्वत पर ना, highest peak पर जाना, that is willpower होना चाहिए. The demonstration of these physical qualities, no doubt, exhilarating, exciting. It is a exciting thing है. As it was for me also. I am also more personal answer to the question. Just he is telling here, P.S. Ahluwalia is telling here that he has some personal answers. इस प्रश्न का, why do people like to climb mountain, क्यों ऊंची चोटी पर जाना चाहते हैं, इसके उनके अपने उत्तर भी कुछ हैं. अपने से कुछ उत्तर उनके मन में है. From my childhood, अपने बचपन से क्या चाहते? I have been attracted by mountains. माउंटेन की ओर आकर्षित होते रहे. He has been attracted towards माउंटेन की ओर बहुत बचपन से आकर्षित होते रहे. I had been miserable, lost. जब वो पर्वत से दूर जाते, उनकी दशा खराब हो जाती, बैड हो जाती. मिजरेबल एंड लॉस्ट हो जाते. When away from mountains, in the plains, जब मैदानी क्षेत्र में जाते, पहाड़ से छोड़ के अलग होते, तो फिर दुखी होते. Mountains are nature at its best. Just he is telling you, it is the experience of H.P.S. Ahluwalia. That is the best. Nature is the best here at mountains. पर्वतों के पास जब होते, तो ये नेचर अपने सबसे अच्छे रूप में होता, या ऐसा पाते हुए. माउंटेन्स आर दी नेचर्स एट इट्स बेस्ट. प्रकृति का सबसे अच्छा नमूना माउंटेन्स. देयर ब्यूटी एंड मेजेस्टी, ब्यूटी ऑफ माउंटेन एंड ऑल्सो मेजेस्टी. पोज ए ग्रेट, प्रेजेंट प्रस्तुत करते हैं ए ग्रेट चैलेंज. Just he is telling here, H.P.S. Ahluwalia, the author, is telling here that beauty and majesty pose a great challenge. That is, beauty and majesty of mountain present a great challenge, एक बहुत बड़ा चुनौती. प्रस्तुत करते हैं. एंड लाइक मेनी आई बिलीव दैट माउंटेन्स आर ए मीन्स ऑफ कम्युनियन विथ गॉड. कम्युनियन, रीयूनियन विथ गॉड. गॉड से मिलन का, गॉड से पुनर्मिलन का एक क्या होता है? क्लाइंबिंग ऑन माउंटेन. माउंटेन्स आर ए मीन्स साधन, एक साधन होता है. रीयूनियन, क्लोज रिलेशनशिप विथ गॉड. इट इज माउंटेन्स आर द क्लोज रिलेशनशिप with God. Once having granted this, the question remains after all this, same question is there in the mind of the author. Why Everest? Because it is the highest. That is, someone thinks it is the highest peak. That's why they like to conquer it. The mightiest. The peak is highest and mightiest, and has defied many previous attempts. That is, after many previous attempts, पहले के तमाम अटेम्प्ट करने के बाद कभी सफलता मिलती है. इट इज द बेस्ट वंस ऑफ वंस एनर्जी. दैट इज ये टोटल व्यक्ति के टोटल एनर्जी उसमें खर्च करना पड़ता. दैट इज वंस ऑफ वंस एनर्जी. इट इज ऑल्सो ब्रूटल स्ट्रगल. दैट इज फेस दिस मेनी चैलेंजेस इन दिस वर्क with rock and ice. They have to face many difficulties. Once taken up, it can't be given up. If one is trying to try to climb, one cannot go back. कोई उसे वापस नहीं हो सकता. Why? Halfway, आधे रास्ते से कोई पीछे नहीं हट सकता. अगर कोई पर्वत पर चढ़ रहा है तो आधे रास्ते से, मिडिल, halfway, one cannot come back. Even one's life is at stake. यहाँ तक कि life is in danger. If life is in danger, in spite of that, one cannot come back. अगर जीवन खतरे में है तो भी one cannot come back. वापस नहीं आ सकता. The passage back is as difficult as the passage onward. Passage back, journey back, to come back in the journey. It is as tough, as full of ये उतना ही जोखिम से भरा है. It is full of difficult as passes onward. जितना आगे जाने का समस्या है, कठिनाई है, difficulties और there, just same difficulty is there in coming back. वापस आने में और ऊपर चढ़ने में. ऊपर जाने में जितनी समस्या है, पीछे आने में भी है. Just is telling it. When the summit is climbed, जब कोई ऊपर चढ़ जाता है, on the peak, summit, highest peak of the Everest, there is the exhilaration, excitation is there. One who is standing on the highest peak of Everest, एवरेस्ट की ऊंची, सबसे ऊंची चोटी पर जो खड़ा होता, the joy of having won something, done something. Thus it is the sense of the man who is standing on the highest peak. He has a sense, he has done something. उसने कुछ कर दिया. He has done something. The sense of a battle fought and won, just like a person who has fought a battle and won, just like that, a person who is standing on the highest peak of mountain, highest peak of Everest, उस पर खड़ा होकर के ठीक उसी तरह महसूस करता जैसे कोई युद्ध जीता और जीत लिया, युद्ध लड़ा और जीत लिया. There is a feeling of victory. Feeling of victory is there. One who is standing on the highest peak, that is, there is a feeling of victory, विजय, जीत पाने की खुशी, and of happiness. Also happiness is there. Glimpsing a peak in the distance, बहुत दूरी से चोटी पर खड़े होकर जब देखते हैं, viewing, I get transported to another world. जब दूसरे दुनिया को महसूस करते हैं, another world, one feels another world. This is the some portion of this lesson. Next portion I will explain later. Okay, thanks.